So, guys, a lot of people want pictures nowadays, especially everything they are doing. Pictures about the birthday, funerals, weddings,
Everything.
proposal.
Everyone wants whatever they are doing
Yeah.
to be captured.
Yeah, and they are willing to give out some money for just for that moment. So we are going to be telling you guys how we collect their money by making sure that you have your photography skills on point.
So I think this actually applies to anyone who feels like maybe they have people say I have a calling in photography.
Yeah.
So if you feel you have a calling in photography, these are some things you should listen so that when you go out, you're very different from other photographers.
Exactly.
Those people, have you seen these guys in the video also with that order? They're just forcing you to take pictures.
Yeah, and with a camera from 18 to
18, 19.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're going to make sure that you guys have your photography skills on set. My name is Patrick.
And my name is Emma.
And the first one that you guys should be doing is to make sure that you perfect the basics. Because a lot of people will go like, I want to be the best photographer. And then you
And
go
they don't even know what is ISO.
Yeah, so you go and learn a lot of things and then you skip the basics. And then you go to take a picture and maybe you do the picture and the person wants, I just wanted a simple picture. It's because you have not perfected the basics. So
Yeah.
make sure your basics are on
Yeah,
point.
know how to open a camera,
Yeah.
how to put the lid back in the camera. These are the
Yeah.
basics, and people
Yeah, because-
actually even maintenance. How do you maintain your camera?
Yeah.
How do you have to put your strands? These are basics, you
Yeah,
know.
because-
You find someone is taking maybe they document something that has a lot of movement, and they are just holding the camera.
Like this. Or maybe they've learned a lot of things and then they go and to a wedding taking pictures and they're not taking with the lens cam.
Anyway, learn the basics.
Basics important. Consider doing is to make sure that you experiment with different lighting and so
Yeah.
that you can see what works best with your camera.
Yeah, because when it comes to the camera in terms of ISO,
Yeah.
aperture, everything changes depending on the lighting.
Yeah,
When
exactly.
you have low lighting, there's the different parameters that you use.
Yeah.
When you should experiment with different lighting so that you can know how these values change
Yeah.
and how light affects photography.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the other one that you can do is to make sure that you are taking feedback. Maybe from just take a photo of a person and ask how is the
How do you feel?
how do you feel? How is the picture?
Mm.
And then if they can tell you that's the worst picture I have ever seen, so you
Yeah.
just go and make sure that you're working on your skills.
Yes,
Because you
and
can take
some
pictures.
people are very emotional when it
Yeah.
comes to feedback.
Yeah.
They don't want to be told you are the worst.
Exactly. Yeah.
Just take feedback and try to make it to be a work for you. Like,
Yeah.
learn from it. Don't be emotional.
Yeah. Even go take
Don't
pictures
take
with your friend and let them criticize you.
Yes,
Yeah,
criticism
so-
allows for growth.
So you make sure that you grow your skills next time.
Yeah.
The other one is that you should make sure that you're using post-processing.
Pictures and editing.
Yeah, so this is the point that you make sure that at the editing part you are very good. You can take pictures, maybe the lighting was bad, but when you go to edit,
Editing,
you make
yeah.
sure that your editing skills is good and you
Yeah.
come up with a final product that is at least appealing.
Yeah, and I think when it comes to editing, actually, you should know what actually your audience would,
Yeah.
what your customers want. Because some people actually will not prefer their pictures to be washed. Some
Yeah.
people will prefer to be spotless, Like actually the ladies in Nairobi, they want to look like dolls.
Yeah.
So you should actually perfect in this, know your customers what they want.
Yeah.
Because actually for some people, they don't want their pictures to be washed. Like,
Exactly.
They can call it washing.
Yeah, they just want it like that when they look like
Yeah.
dummies. So, the last one that we're going to be talking about is make sure that you don't stop learning. Don't just say, now I'm good.
I'm
Now
now
I'll just wait for the
I am
next
a
degree.
professional.
I'm a professional. Make sure that you're trying new skills and learning new things that are
Yeah.
coming in there. Because new trends, because someone will want a photo maybe looking in a certain way, and then you are there and said, I'm already good at photography, and you don't learn new skills, so you will lose the
I think
customers.
learning is a process and learning never ends.
Yeah.
So even though you feel you're good at photography, there's always someone who is better than you.
Yeah.
Take time to learn from these people. You have people in YouTube, you have people you can actually take courses like at Finstock University, they have courses like photography.
Yeah, exactly.
If you want to
And
learn more
editing.
about photography, if you want to learn more about using Lightroom or Premiere Pro
Yeah.
or Illustrator or other editing softwares, make sure you take a course,
Yeah.
because that is what will differentiate you in the market.
Yeah, from other photographers.
Yeah, so actually they can search for online courses, or you can do them online for maybe 1 month,
Yeah.
2 months at Finstock University. You can Google actually, Google them at www.finstockuniversity.com. You can call them at 0703-313-722, or even send them an email and inquiring about the course, and you'll be guided. Their email is info@finstockuniversity.com.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure at the end of the video you like, share, comment and subscribe. Make sure you hit on the notification button so that every time we release a new video, you can be
Always
notified.
be notified.
Until next time.
Goodbye.